Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Yeah, it has been so far a quiet day. Bitcoin hasn't really done much today. Bitcoin continues to move in the range, but overall still with a tendency to break higher, as explained. Yeah, we're tracking here on the shorter time frame two scenarios which are both bullish. So in both scenarios, we're looking for higher prices overall, and someone recently said to me that I was quite convinced that the price would go higher directly, and at the time I did answer that, yeah, but that hasn't changed, right? We are still on track to 130k plus. The question is just how deep is the pullback going to be along the way? And at the moment, we need to be honest here, we haven't even seen any break below this micro support area here. Yeah, so we are still holding above all support levels. We are holding above the invalidation point of the directly bullish count that we described in the previous video, which is here at the red line at $105,200 roughly. It's the 2nd of July low. And then also we're holding above Fibonacci support here between 106,300 and 107,200. So as long as we're not breaking below this zone, and we already touched it here on the 4th of July, the focus can be on higher prices. Now, as I said in the last video, once we get a break above this green line, our green signal line, the focus is likely going to be directly on higher prices. And it would be our confirmation that we're likely breaking out more directly, potentially here, as shown in the blue scenario, which might take us first of all to round about, 100. Let's just put that onto the chart actually. Because the blue count is just a direct pathway higher, possibly helping us to take a direct route to round about 115k, which is the first ideal target for Circle Wave 3. Yeah. Whereas in the white scenario, we could just dip back into support before we go higher. But as I said in the previous videos, I tried to be very clear about it. As long as we're holding 106,300, I'd focus on higher prices. Why? Because, and Elliott Wave tells me that, it's not me telling you my opinion, I'm telling you what the data is telling me, right? So the data is telling me that we have multiple 5-wave movements to the upside. We have a 5-wave move up here into the swing high from the 30th of June, that's the white count, and a 3-wave pullback, and another 5-wave move up, and another 3-wave move down, maybe another 5-wave move up, and a 3-wave move down. So now we're breaking higher. But it takes a break above the green line there to really confirm it further. And that is not just a wick above this line. No, we need a decisive break above $110,630. And then the focus can shift to the blue zone. So that's unchanged for now. If at this point the price breaks down again, we shift the focus back to the support area. But for now, there is enough upside momentum so that we can, even allow the blue count, which is the direct bullish count, to unfold. But the problem is it doesn't really look too impulsive to me. So it might be that maybe this is some kind of a diagonal structure, but I would like to give the market a little bit more time to confirm here what specific pattern is unfolding, but the levels should be very clear. We're back above 110k as I record this video here, and we're approaching that green signal line, so decision moment is coming soon, but the at the moment preferred scenarios should be clear. So either blue or white, they are both actually the same, just white allows for another pullback, but overall they are based on the same assumption, which is that a wave 2 bottomed here on the 2nd of July. That's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.